Hi friends, Mrs. Mapes here with another math video. Today we're going to be comparing numbers, and to do that we're going to be using symbols that represent greater than, less than, and equal. So I want you guys, I'm going to be pausing after I compare the number, and I want you guys to be showing me the symbol. Okay friends, so this is the less than symbol. It's the less than symbol because the small end comes first. So that would mean that the smaller number is going to be on this side of the symbol. The larger number will be on this side of the symbol. So this is the less than symbol. It kind of looks like a mouth. If you think of it, the small end of it is going to be with a small number, and the big end wants to eat the big number. The greater than symbol has the mouth open towards the left side. So the number that would come on this side would be a bigger number, and the number on this side would be a smaller number. So wherever the mouth is open to, that's going to be the bigger number, and the end where it's a small part, that's going to show the smaller number. The last symbol that we're going to use today, friends, is the equal symbol. Equal symbols mean that both sides are equal to each other, so they're the same. So then the numbers would be the same on either side. Okay, our first number that we're going to compare is the number 5. And we're going to compare the number 5 to the number 7. Now, I drew dots below the numbers just to make sure that you guys, if you need to count the dots to recognize the number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots for the number 7. Which one has the larger number, the more dots, the 5 or the 7? You at home can show me with your hands, so you can make the greater than symbol with your right hand, or you can make the less than symbol with your left hand, kind of like a mouth. So, is the bigger number the 7 or is the bigger number the 5? So show me, am I going to eat the 5 or am I going to eat the 7? Remember, these are your symbols down here. If you showed me that the 7 is the bigger number, it's greater than 5, we're going to put that symbol this way. So 5 is less than 7. Okay, so we're going to use a less than symbol because the 5 is smaller than the 7. Okay, another example we're going to do together. Here we go. This is the number 2, 1, 2, and this is the number 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number is the bigger number? We're going to use our symbols down here to show which one is the bigger number. So, are we going to use a less than symbol, eating our number 2? Are we going to use the, are we going to use the greater than symbol, eating our number 2, or are we going to use our less than symbol, eating our number 6? You show me. We want the bigger number in the bigger part of the symbol. So if you showed me that we're going to be using our less than symbol, you are correct. So we can say that the number 2 is less than the number 6. So we're using that less than symbol. The small end points to the 2. The big part points to the bigger number 6. So this is the less than symbol. Okay. Another example that we're going to do is comparing the number 3 to the number 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 dots for 3, 1 dot for 1. What is the bigger number? Are you going to show me the less than symbol? Are we going to be the bigger number, is the bigger number 1? Or are you going to show me the greater than symbol is the bigger number 3? If you showed me the greater than symbol, you are correct. We are going to have that big mouth open towards the 3 because the 3 is a bigger number than 1. So we can say 3 is greater than 1. Say it with me. 3 is greater than 1. Good job. Let's do another set of examples. Okay, we're going to compare the number 4 with the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Are we going to use the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, or the equal symbol? Tell me your answer. You are correct. If you said we're going to use the equal symbol because, remember friends, the equal symbol is telling us that the number on this side is the same number on this side. They are equal to each other. So 4 is equal to 4. Next problem, we're going to compare the number 9 to the number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 compared to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one is the bigger number? Is 9 bigger or is 6 bigger? Are we going to use the less than symbol so that the bigger number is in this part? Is 6 bigger? Or the greater than symbol is 9 bigger? Tell me your answer. If you said we were going to use the greater than symbol, you are correct. 9, say it with me, is greater than 6. 9 is greater than 6. It's a bigger number. Okay, next problem. We're going to compare the number 7 to the number 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is the bigger number? Is 7 the bigger number or is 8 the bigger number? If you said 8 is the bigger number, we're going to put that 8 in our mouth, right? And eat it. It's our bigger number. We are going to be using the less than symbol, right? So this is saying that 7 is less than the number 8. Remember, friends, the small end goes to the smaller number. The big open mouth goes to the bigger number. And when we look down here at our key, this symbol means less than because less than comes first. The small end comes first, so then it's less than. If the big end comes first, then it's greater than. Okay, friends, let's see another set of numbers. Here we go. We're going to compare the number 9 to the number 9. Okay, let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are we going to use the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, or the equal? Shout it out. If you said equal, you are correct. The number 9 is equal to the number 9. They are the same on either side, so they are equal. Good job. The next one we're going to do, we're going to get up into our double digits here. So if you notice, Mrs. Mapes drew a 10 frame here. So this is the number 10, and we're going to count those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a 10 frame here. Over here we have the number 15. So we have a 10 frame. So we can say 10 and then count up from there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which number is bigger? Are we going to be using the greater than symbol? Is 10 bigger? Or is the number 15 bigger? Are we going to use the less than symbol? Or are they equal to each other? Shout out your answer. Less than or greater than or equal? If you said that the number 10 is less than the number 15, you are correct. This says 10 is less than 15. Good job, friends. Our next problem is the number 19 compared to the number 12. So we have our 10 frame here for our 19. So let's count from 10. Ready? So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here is our number 19 versus 12. Count from 10. So 10, 11, 12. Which is the smaller, or which is the bigger number? Excuse me. Are we going to eat the number 19? Or are we going to eat the number 12? If you said we're going to eat the number 19, you are correct. We are going to use the greater than symbol. So this says that 19 is greater than 12. Okay, 19 is greater than 12. Good job, friends. So we're going to do 3 more problems comparing our numbers. So what we're doing right now is comparing our numbers. Okay, we have the number 16 versus the number 11. Let's make sure and count our dots. So we have a 10 frame, so we know we can count from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 here. And then we have 10, 11, 11. Which is the bigger number? Are we going to be eating the number 16 or are we going to be eating the number 11? We want to eat that bigger number. Which one has the most dots? If you said we're going to eat the 16, that means that we're going to be using the greater than symbol. Good job, friends. So 16, say it with me, 16 is greater than 11. The number 16 is greater than the number 11. Okay. Our next problem is comparing the number 13 and the number 13. Let's count those dots to make sure that we have 13 here. So we have 10, a 10 frame. So we're going to say 10, 11, 12, 13. And this one, we have a 10, 11, 12, 13. So which one is the bigger number? This 13 or this 13? Or do we use the equal sign? If you said we use the equal sign, you are correct. The number 13 is equal to the number 13. They are the same number. Good job. Our last problem in comparing numbers today, friends. We're going to compare the number 14 to the number 17. Let's count those dots to make sure that those numbers are right. So we have a 10 frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that there's 10 dots there. So we're going to count from 10. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14. So here is the number 14 with 14 dots. And let's count these. We know that this is a 10 frame, so we can count from 10. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Which one is the bigger number? Is 14 bigger or is 17 bigger? If you said that 17 is bigger, good job. That means that we're going to be using what symbol, friends? What is this symbol? If the small n comes first, that means that it is the less than symbol. So we're going to say this as a sentence. Ready? 14 is less than 17. Good job, friends. I hope that you enjoyed learning these wonderful, fun symbols of less than, greater than, or equal. These symbols help us compare numbers. Maybe you could try to come up with some on your own and write a number on one side and then write a number on the other, and then use these symbols to compare the two numbers. See if you could do that on your own. Until next week, see you later.